If you know me, you know that I have a lot of problems with Incredicoaster at California Adventure. I really tore it to shreds in my review video of PIXAR PIER. But today we're going to do something a little different. We're going to take a ride on this attraction together. Before we get started, please leave a comment down below. Please like this video and please subscribe to this YouTube channel. I am a pretty small theme park channel and I would greatly appreciate your support. Thank you so much. I shot a POV of this attraction a couple weeks ago, so that's what we're going to use for this video. If you want to watch the POV without me yapping over it, go ahead and click on this link right here. Right after you're dispatched, you're going to come up on the first vignette. Obviously, there's no animatronics, like it's literally just a static figure of Edna and then a teleporting Jack Jack, and then the audio says, oh, the baby's gone. So it is really underwhelming. Like I feel like there really could have been an animatronic there. I love watching the water turn off for the LIM coolers. That's really cool. Dash gives you the countdown here, and then when you're launched, you have that cool water effect on the left-hand side. That's probably one of my favorite improvements that Incredicoaster made. That lighting is cool. The launch is fun. You get a light pop of airtime right there at the top of that little hill. And then here's where dialogue kicks in. Like, there's not much happening in the layout, but I've explained on the channel a couple times that I don't like dialogue on a roller coaster. Like, a roller coaster is a roller coaster, so it can be kind of hard to process dialogue. In my PIXAR PIER review video, I totally tore this tunnel to shreds. It's really, really bad. I hate how Elastigirl is just plastered on the wall there. You're moving very, very slow, so it's obvious that you're just looking at static figures of Mr. and Mrs. Incredible, and obviously Jack Jack. This drop is fun. I wouldn't say there's airtime, though. And then you race through this turn, the dialogue kicks back in here. I do appreciate the score. It is Incredible's music, and Incredible's music is really well done. And for the loop, it does, like, it matches with the music and the layout. I will say that loop sucks, though. It's really rough. This is probably my favorite tunnel with the flaming Jack Jack and then the violet. Earlier in the layout, you can see that violet is just a head attached to the top of the scream tube, so that is pretty lame. Then you're gonna roll up into probably my least favorite effect in Disney history. It's literally just babies on sticks. Like Dash says, oh no, he's multiplying, and then you just see a bunch of babies on sticks. The airtime hills are pretty light. In the front and the back, you might get some light floater. You're gonna dive down here and you get your ride photo, and then you're gonna curve up into the final brake runs. I do like how it straightens out here. Like, I feel like if this was a thrill ride, that would have given you airtime. And these final brakes are actually pretty violent. Like, I'm about to get punched in the gut right there. Yeah, that was not fun. And then this final vignette is also pretty lame. I feel like there really should have been animatronics in those vignettes. Like, obviously they cheaped out on the scream tubes, so it is really lame that they didn't even give us an animatronic for the beginning or the end of the attraction. And that is your ride experience on Incredicoaster. So this ride was a little harder to keep up with than Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, but it was still a lot of fun. Please let me know what you think of this roller coaster commentary video. Please like this video. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I will catch you later.